Hello, and welcome to Plants and Python. My name is Alejandra Rougon, and I am a professor at the Genomics Department at the National Autonomous University of Mexico, UNAM campus en Es León. This is Command Line Lesson 2, the Virtual Terminal. In this lesson, you will learn how to create a GitHub account, log in to a virtual terminal, learn the parts of the online platform, and create a file and directory on your virtual terminal. First, go to the virtual terminal that was created for this course from the CS50 sandbox. In order to enter, you have to be logged in to your GitHub account. If you don't have an account, just create one. You will only need an email and password. After you have created your account, you will receive an email to confirm that it is a valid address. After validation, you will be able to log in to your GitHub account. After that, just click on the link of the virtual terminal again. Once you enter, you will see a screen like this. In the upper left corner, click on the folder icon to open the directory sidebar. Then you will see three sections: the file editor, where you can create, visualize, and edit text files, the directory sidebar or file tree, and the terminal. If you position your mouse near the folder icon, you will see three dots where you can create files or directories. You can also create files with the plus icon at the top, and you can create new terminal windows with the plus icon at the bottom. You can slide the windows up and down to make the terminal or editor screen bigger. Now we're going to create our first file. Make sure you don't use special characters in the file or folder names, as they have special meanings for the system. Underscore and dot are allowed characters. You should not use spaces either. Instead of my space file, you can use my underscore file or my file altogether. File extensions are not necessary. However, it is a good practice to add a .txt extension for a text file in case you need to open the file with a third-party program. Also, for the identification of biological data formats, it's recommended to add the proper file extension. Let's create a file with the file editor called readme.txt. Then add the string, "This is my first file from Plants and Python command line lesson." You don't have to save it, as every change you make to your virtual terminal will be saved automatically. In the file tree sidebar, you can see some file actions, such as rename, duplicate, download, and delete. Now create a new directory called Documents. In the file tree, you will be able to see your new folder and file. In this lesson, you have learned how to create a GitHub account, log in to a virtual terminal, learn the different sections of the online platform, and how to create a file and folder.